Hello. Buenas noches. Hey, what's up? What's up, Carson? What up, Fire Medic 310? What up, Nicole? What up, Jaden? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me loud and clear? Hey, what up, Jen? How's it going? Hey, Lisa, thank you for that daily heart. Highly appreciate you. What's up, Maria Rodriguez 85? Damn, I couldn't roar that R right now. What's up? What's happening with me over here? Let me see. All right, dropping one, flushing one. If you will, don't forget about the courtesy flushes, because when you're dropping that poison, if it's anything like mine, it's gonna be nothing nice, if you will. Hey, what up, Molly? How's it going? What's up, Miss T? How's it going? If you will. What up, Jen? All right. So this is gonna be the Friday night, 7 p.m. court, 8 p.m. if you're in Arizona, if you will. All right, I think I got everything. Situated now. It looks like we're just waiting for them to start up the court right now, and that'll happen whenever it happens. Got no control over that. You guys know what time it is. Let me see, nurse. Hey, what's up? Let me see. Hey, James, how are you feeling, my guy? I love having you back on the courts. You know what I'm saying? I have my good days. I have my bad days. It just all depends. Right now, hello, Mario. It's great to see you on here. That's right. Hell yeah. Let me see. Hey, what's up, little Tam? What's up? How you been? Hopefully everybody's doing good today. What's up, Four Eyes? What's up, James? Hope you're feeling, I'm assuming, good or well. Yep. If that was your comment. Yep. Hey, Tainted Angel, gracias, highly appreciate it. Nothing but finger hearts over here. What's up, Harry Neighborhood Juniors? How's it going today? Thank you for the rolls. Highly appreciate that. Not required, but it is appreciated. Let me see. Hey, what's up, Locked Up Connections? Hey, if you guys are looking for love, if you guys are looking for a tall guy, a short guy, all types of guys, whatever color you want, you can find it on Locked Up Connections, and that would be on TikTok, if you will. And she brings on a whole variety of different individuals from different walks of life and different stages in their prison terms, if you will. So go ahead and check out Lock Up Connections. Hey, what's up, Shannon? Where you been at? Hey, thank you for that daily heart. Highly appreciate you. Sophie, what's up? OMG. Yeah, it's been a minute. Let me see. Hey, and if you're looking for a woman, if you're looking for that female little hyena, you might find her on there, but she might not only be stealing your heart, if you will. Hey, Lorraine, thank you for that. Highly appreciate that. Lorraine, Shannon, for them roses, if you will. Hey, what's up, Kristen? Haven't seen you in so long. Yeah, it's been a minute. It's been almost about 2 months. Let me see. I followed you for a year, but you never come up. What, Jay? Come on. I haven't been out for like 2 months, so I've been missing in action, if you will. Let me see. Hey, what's up, Dalton? How's it going? Yup, finally caught it. Mel Lady 43. Hey, my favorite show is on. Hey, what's up, Nicole? If you will. Let me see. It looks like there's an officer back there moving, so the stream's not frozen, so should be starting any moment. Let me see. Are you okay? Were you Yeah, I was gone. I was gone for a minute. I was going through some medical issues, and I'm slowly recovering, if you will. Yay. Hi, James. Hey, what up? How's it going, Jane? Let me see. Where have you been, man? Teresa, man, it's been a roller coaster the last 60 days, if you will. Man, have I told you where I've been? I wasn't in prison. I wasn't in jail, luckily, because, yeah, it's no bueno. What's up, Nicole, over here on YT, and I'm doing good tonight. That's right. Sarah, thank you for the prayers. For anybody who wants to shoot the prayers, I'll take him. Hey, that praying is free. You remember? It's free 99, my favorite price. Also tap. You know what else is free? Tapping that screen. Let me see, Nicole. Happy to see you. Grace, how are you feeling? Hope you must. I'm feeling a little bit better today. My wife took off. My wife's been gone for a few hours. She took my daughter to McDonald's on a play date. So I've been here alone at the house. I was like, man, I'm bored out of my mind. I got to do something. I washed the dishes, a few dishes that we had. I threw out the trash, and then I was like, man, I looked at the clock. I was like, okay, 7 o'clock. Court's about to start up right now. So let me jump on. So here I am. Hey, thank you. Thank you, D, for the finger hearts. Highly appreciate that. Sending all them prayers to you, your wife, and your daughter. Highly appreciate you. Let me see. Prayers for you and your family. Gracias. Highly appreciate that. Let me see. Are you eating now? I hope not. I still don't have an appetite. My appetite has not come back. But hopefully, it's either gonna be two things. It's either gonna be the medication I'm on, or
Thank you. May be seated.
or the stints I got in my stomach area, if you will. Hey, what up, Linda?
State's not appearing for.
Make sure you get rest. Yeah, no, for sure. That's Mando right there. Oh, hold on. Let me fix the screen over here for you guys, because you guys can't even see the court, if you will. Hey, oh no, wrong one. Let me see over here. Where is it? Chrome. Oh yeah, nope, not that one. Chrome. This one could it be this one? There we go. All right. You guys can see there. Hopefully you guys can see good. Hopefully the view's not being obstructed, but we'll see right now. Can you guys hear the court? The court started already. I want to make sure you guys are able to hear the court in action. Let me see here. This is the first hearing I watched since you left.
p.m. initial appearance calendar for
Simply
February
Kate.
20th of 2026.
You guys can't hear the court?
Taking of DNA and fingerprints that were given the first calendar day of this month shall apply to all matters.
What up, Kendra? Okay, you can hear me. All right, cool.
Calendar. I will now read the victim's rights advisement. If you are the victim of a crime with a case pending before this court, you are advised that you have rights under Arizona law that, among others, include the right to be treated with rare disrespect and dignity, to a speedy trial, to be present at court proceedings, to choose whether or not to be interviewed by the defendant.
Hey, thank you, Simply Kate, for joining the
to be heard
the fan club for a year.
Before the court makes a decision on release, negotiation of a plea,
Thank you, Trish.
scheduling and sentencing, and to receive restitution from a person who is convicted of causing you loss. If you have not already been provided...
Hey, what up, Dylan? Yeah, full of personality.
Please contact the Victim Services Division of...
What up, Wild Child, or Wild Moon Child?
Ladies and gentlemen, we are
What
here
up, Kay?
for an initial appearance calendar. What that means is that you are going to learn a little bit more about the allegations against you.
Hey, what up, Taddit?
Whether or not you've been appointed counsel.
What up, Matthew? Hey, keep it up, man. Keep it up.
About your release.
What up, Edward?
As I call you up, please come to the...
Hey, what's up, Leash? Oh, you changed your name?
Here.
All right, that's what's up.
Next, please.
How you been?
In the chair at the front of the gallery by the door right over there. That just helps us have a nice smooth proceeding here tonight. And do we have Mr. Dwarman?
I'm feeling a little bit better right now.
Thank you.
It has its ups and downs. Oh,
Good evening.
they got a translator?
Let's start then with number 31, Brittany Roberts, to the podium. Number 20, Marcus Ward, to the chair.
Oh, she's a lanky one, if you will.
Tell me your name and date of birth.
Brittany Roberts, September 5th, 1987.
Thank you. And counsel, please announce.
Thank you, Judge. Again, good evening, Judge. Howard Dorn on behalf of Brittany Roberts, who is present and in custody.
Thank you. And counsel, are you appearing generally speaking, or are you entering a limited appearance for the purpose of tonight? I know you filed 2 NOAs, or
Yes,
one
Judge.
NOA.
So actually, Judge, and first of all, I'd like to thank the court for moving this case up to the 8 p.m. calendar and allowing me
Oh,
to...
yes, of course.
Thank you. Judge, I filed my notice of appearance in this case back on February 10th, actually, which it goes into part of my...
Hey, make money, you're right.
So I can leave it at that for now if the court would like.
Well, it's just going to affect my order regarding counsel as to whether or not I appoint the public defender's office on top of your appearance tonight. So,
Seawall, thank you.
Is it a more general appearance for the remainder of the case, or is this just for tonight's purposes, Mr. Dwarf?
No, Judge, I am retained.
Oh, you are retained. Very well. Then I will, let me just work on the orders regarding counsel briefly.
Sure.
There we go. Hey, Jesse Sanders, thank you for that Daily Heart. Highly appreciate you. Oh, hold on. Let me fix this up for you guys over here. There we go. I think that's a little bit better right there. Let me zoom in. For you guys that are
All
on the
right, very well.
projector.
The record will reflect the appearance of Howard Dwarman as counsel of record for both cases.
There we go.
All right. Ms. Roberts, we're here today on two Superior Court failure to appear warrants or bench warrants alleging that you missed a court date. I will note.
That's right, Ted. I'm glad you got the stickers.
The Adult Probation Department alleges violations of terms 6, 7, 12, and 15.
15?
Alleged by a petition to revoke probation. It appears back in 2021. I'm going to set a
She's
court
out of
date
control.
for you on February the 27th of 2026. That's at the downtown Superior Courthouse.
I
Yes.
apologize. We already have a court date. It's the 25th that's been set in both matters. The court did that upon my filing notice of appearance.
Okay. Do we have a mechanism to accelerate that to the 25th based on the original calendar?
No.
Okay. We don't have that mechanism here, Mr. Dorman, so I hate to put more work on your plate, but you may vacate seek a motion to vacate. This is without prejudice any motion to vacate court date that you may file sometime in the future.
What up, Priv?
For tonight's purposes, I'm just going to set the 27th date at 8:30 in the morning.
Lizzie, thank you.
West Jefferson.
Not 15.
All right. Now, I will note, and I'm sure counsel is aware of the amount suggested in the bench warrants. I'll hear argument on release conditions.
Would you like that from me, Judge, or from the state?
State is not appearing, and so go ahead, Mr.
Good thing.
Thank you, Judge. So,
Actually, he's not here today.
the court noted this case is
Anna, what's up?
The petition to revoke was issued back in 2021. So my client had been modified from IPS to standard in September of 2020. As you can see, looking at the petition, maybe you can see by looking at the petition.
Hey, what the hell did she
last
do?
Reported date was December 22nd, which was merely about 30 days later.
Besides violate 15.
My understanding from speaking with my client is there was some confusion. She believed she had been terminated from probation, not modified from IPS
Josh, thank you.
standard. So my client then had left and gone to her home state of Wyoming. She learned about the warrant when she came to visit her father in Flagstaff.
Lindsay?
In January of 2026, at which time she was arrested. A bond was posted. Again, some confusion therein lied because my client wasn't aware of a court date that was set on January 16th.
What up, Maui?
However, that court date did happen. My client did not appear, and she again had already gone back to Wyoming. Upon learning that the warrant had been issued on January 16th or shortly thereafter, my client contacted
Rosie?
retained my services. I filed my notice of appearance immediately, along with a motion to quash the warrant. At that time, unfortunately, my client had already been arrested and was being held on potential extradition charges. Or
What up, Vicky?
Potential extradition
Mel?
as a matter of this case.
Deidre?
Judge, my client did not fight extradition. She didn't dispute her identity in any way.
Brody?
We were simply hoping that the court would quash the warrant and that we would have an appearance and get
She's a
the
runner.
matter handled through an arraignment. Unfortunately, the court didn't grant the motion to quash, hence why she's in front of you today. So, Judge, that being said as well, over the last 5 years, my client hasn't engaged in any new criminal activity. She does suffer from substance addiction, in which she has gotten under great control. I think evident of that is the fact that she has not committed any new crimes since this happened.
What kind of crimes can you be committing in Wyoming?
Numerous
if
times.
you will.
She has remained clean and sober for several years now. She has a small child,
Like tipping over cows?
who was recently involved in some medical treatments.
And if there's anybody out there in Wyoming,
my client was
I was just joking.
Contacted me because she couldn't get a hold of my client to let my client know that her child was doing just fine and not to worry. So, Judge, I would ask the court to release my client.
What up, Kim?
Cognizance. She will be appearing. She's clearly taken this matter very seriously by retaining private counsel. The bond in this matter is arguably low. I'm not saying that $2,200 and $2,250 is not a lot of money. It's
$2,200?
but in all due respect, considering what this court has probably seen and looked at,
That's half of my medical
many
bills.
years in practicing on the bench, I think we could probably agree
Debbie,
that
thank
this
you.
bond is nominal compared to many other bonds that get issued. My client has no desire to run. She never had a desire to run in the first place. She is not a flight risk.
She could have fooled
The only
me.
thing that I will have to be candid with the court is she doesn't have a home here in Maricopa County. She does up in Coconino County with her parents in Flagstaff, though. So if the court were to order her to remain in the state,
So in other words, she'll be a homeless sexual, if you will, since she doesn't have a house in Maricopa.
In probation violation court, which whether it be the 27th or 25th, I'll certainly file a motion to accelerate and try to have that maintained.
And no disrespect to any homeless sexuals out
but
there.
Nonetheless, Judge, my client is certainly not a flight risk, and none of her criminal history involves any violent behavior, so she's certainly not a threat to herself or others. I would ask the court, with all due respect, to at this time just release my client.
¿Qué onda?
And a promise to appear. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Mr. Dwarman. And I hope I'm not ambushing you, but do you have any additional information on what looks to be an arrest in Yavapai County on
Hey, what up, Oregon?
12/30/2025?
Judge, that was my understanding is that was the arrest on this warrant. On the very first initial warrant that was issued.
Hey, what up, 1AZ?
Okay.
There's if you look at the record from what I can see, on March 29th of 2021, there was a probation violation warrant issued. I believe my client was arrested on that in the end of December and then held for apparently a little while in Yavapai County.
In Yavapai, and then the subsequent arrest in Flagstaff was 1/16, you said?
Well, so Judge, I'm just going off the court record as far as when the warrant was issued. 1/16 is when the probation violation court issued another warrant because my client failed to appear for her court appearance on January 16th.
Okay.
So I may have gotten Yavapai and Coconino confused. My client.
Oh, I see.
She was arrested while visiting her father, who resides in Coconino County.
Okay.
On this warrant, so that may have occurred in Yavapai County, and I may have just spoken out of turn a little bit there in confusing those two counties, which are right next to each other.
Adios.
Wait, are you better?
Okay.
A little bit, poquito.
All right.
Yeah.
Having considered the arguments of counsel, any further argument as to release conditions?
No, Judge, thank you very much for your time.
I'm getting better.
All right, thank you very much. So,
Take out the
having
nasty.
considered the argument of counsel, Ms. Roberts,
It's kinda boring,
understand that part of this
if
could
you
have
will.
been a mix-up.
My daughter
but
just walked in.
It appears from the notes and from the record in this case, and as counsel pointed out, there was initial start out on intensive probation, IPS.
A little bit.
And that is a level of scrutiny that
What up, Johnny, if you will?
that is higher than normal. And coming off of that, with the step down
Crystal,
from
thank you.
IPS to standard, as it were, that comes with a bench warrant, potentially 2 bench warrants.
We're like 20 minutes in, and this is
the
still the
need
first
to
case.
Extradite you.
We're going to be here all night long.
I understand counsel's point, it's well taken, that you didn't contest extradition, you wanted to come here and get this sorted. Nevertheless, I do not believe that own
What up, Frank?
release is appropriate, given the
Vilma?
background of this case, the failure to appear, and the need for extradition. To get
What up, Jerome?
Likewise, I do have some
Teresa, thank
concern,
you.
given that your only contact in Arizona is out of county. And so I am going to set bail.
What up? I'm not the one.
What
Thank
I
you for the
will
follow.
do is change the cash-only bond amount on the first matter.
What up, live host?
Set that as secured appearance.
Ashley, this case is making me sleepy. Hey, what up, 9 ball?
$1,500
Or 9 wizard
secured
ball?
appearance. As to the matter marked number 31 on the calendar, and I'll save and send that over to you for reprint.
Show it to.
However, as to number 32 marked on the calendar, I'm going to affirm the amount, $750
I got
secured
one?
appearance. So if you add those up, you get your total bond amount.
Put it in the background, go in the background. And
If you do
put it in the
post
back-
bail, do not possess weapons, do not
Okay,
possess
one.
drugs without a valid prescription, do not possess or consume any alcohol, contact probation within 72 hours if you are released. Other release conditions reduced to writing in the written notice you're about to receive. Anything further from counsel?
No, Judge, thank you very much for your time.
All right, thank you very much,
Okay.
Mr. Dorman. You may be excused. Ms. Roberts, do you have any questions?
I do not.
Thank you very much. You may step to your left.
Judge, I apologize, just real quick.
Yes.
The court set the hearing for the 27th. Is that correct? At what time?
27th, 8:30 a.m.
8:30 a.m. Thank you very much, Judge.
Oh, yeah. I
Yes,
forgot
thank you
about
very much.
Bye-bye.
it. All right.
Nah, twin, I'm not a
In
federalo.
just a moment.
I'm just an average Joe, if you will. Glad to see you back, Ashley. Thank you. Likewise, too. Hell yeah.
Okay, that's signed over to you.
Sarah, thank you for the follow. The next door neighbor, thank you for that daily heart. Highly appreciate that.
Alright.
Not required, but whenever you guys shoot them daily hearts, highly appreciate it over here, if you will.
Marcus Ward to the podium, number 18, Mercedes Jones to the chair.
Mercedes Jones. I wonder if she any relation to Mike
Evening, sir.
Jones,
Please
if
tell me
you
your name, date
will.
of birth.
Marcus James Ward, 122168.
Thank you. We're here today on 2 Superior Court.
Nah, Ashley's not here.
Bench warrants. These arise out of probation violation.
Andy, thank you.
I'm
What up,
going to
Ronnie?
appoint the public defender's office for you and set a court date for you on February the 27th.
Can't see this guy's face.
That's at 8:30 in the morning at the downtown Superior Courthouse. Given the conditions set out in the bench warrants, I'm going to.
I love
affirm
Mike
both
Jones.
Bench warrants. And hold
Wow,
you
Chow, thank you.
without bail on both cases pursuant to Arizona Rule of Criminal
Captain
Procedure
Austin.
7.2C. Do you have any questions?
Maddie, yeah, we can't. None of us can see right now. It be like that sometimes.
Number 19, Mercedes Jones to the podium.
Mercedes
Number 27,
Jones.
Casey Ayala to the chair.
All right. Hopefully we get some short people so we're able to see.
Good evening, ma'am. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
Some small
Mercedes
people.
Jones, 1106 and 98.
Thank you. We're here with
K&D.
two cases tonight. The first is a grand jury warrant out of the Maricopa County Superior Court, and the second is a municipal court warrant out of the El Mirage Municipal Court. Let's start with the grand jury case.
Saji, thank you for the follow.
A grand jury has handed down an indictment finding probable cause and accusing you of organized retail theft, a Class 4 felony,
Smoggy.
on or about May the 24th of 2025. I'm appointing the public defender's office for you. and
Yeah,
setting your
Mercedes be
court
having
date
that
for
5-finger
arraignment
discount.
on February the 27th
If
of
you will.
2026 at 8:30 in the morning. Let's move briefly to the municipal court warrant out of El Mirage. There are two underlying counts. One is shoplifting. They're actually both shoplifting, alleged on or about December the 20th of 2021. We're going to order that counsel be appointed to represent you at the next hearing, which is an arraignment at El Mirage on March the 2nd of 2026 at 10 o'clock in the morning. Did you have a question?
I've been to jail for El Mirage. I don't understand why it keeps popping up.
Well, this appears to be, from the information that I have, which
From
admittedly is
from
less than
years.
what El Mirage has, this appears to be a pre-adjudication warrant on 2 counts of shoplifting on or about December the 20th of 2021. And so that is the information that I'm proceeding on tonight.
I think so.
All right. As to bail, I'm going to, just a moment.
She had a good run. If she's been running since 2021, you know, in crime years, in criminal years, that's pretty good. 5 years. 5 years on the run.
Print on number 19.
And
Man,
I
you make
hear
it past that first year. You're doing
to
good.
get this taken care of.
Understood, and thank you for your input. However, given the grand jury proceeding and the fact that the grand jury saw fit to issue the warrant, I am going to affirm the amount set in the grand jury warrant. That's $10,000 cash only. As to the municipal court warrant setting bail in the amount of $500, that's a security
thank you.
clearance bond. If you are released, do not return to the scene of any alleged crime. Do not have contact with any victims. Do not possess weapons. Do not possess drugs without a valid prescription. Do not possess or consume any alcohol.
Okay.
Other release conditions are reduced to writing in the written orders you're about to receive, which we're printing out right now. Do you have any other questions?
Yes, you said that my bill is 10,000. You cannot lower my bill by any chance.
So I'm deferring to the judgment of the grand jury that had a bit more information than I did in setting the amount that they did. Now, this isn't to say that you can't seek review of the bail determination once more information comes out regarding what information the grand jury may have had, but I'll leave that for a conversation between you and counsel. For tonight's purposes, I'm going to leave it as it is. Any other questions?
No.
All right, thank you very much. You may step to your left and collect your...
It's like, what could she possibly ask the judge?
Number 27, Casey Ayala.
Can I get like an extra Bonoli sandwich?
Number 28, Brandon Begay to the chair.
All right, man. Ain't no good cases today, man. What's up with the shoplifting at
And
Target,
good evening,
Walmart, and
sir.
Circle
Please tell me
K?
your name and date of birth.
52495, Casey Ayala.
Thank you. We're here today on a Superior Court grand jury warrant. That means that a grand jury has handed down an indictment finding probable cause and accusing you of 4 counts of aggravated DUI, a Class 4 felony.
Oh, that's a straight AWA right there.
Involving weapons, a Class 4 felony, all alleged on or about November the 15th of 2025. I'm appointing the Public Defender's Office and setting a court date for an arraignment for you on February the 27th.
What up, Jen?
Of 2026. As to release conditions, I'm going to affirm the amount
What up, Alexis?
in the grand jury warrant, and this is going to be a reprint because I need to add release conditions. That's $20,000 cash only with pretrial services supervision and alcohol testing and monitoring in the event that you are released. Additionally, do not possess weapons, do not possess drugs without a valid prescription, do not possess or consume any alcohol. Other release conditions are reduced to writing in the written orders that you are about to receive. Do you have any questions?
Yes, Your Honor. Does that mess with my court dates in March? Is it going to change that? I believe I have one on the 9th, I believe.
Talk to counsel about
What up, Tita?
court dates. Sometimes when there are multiple cases going through the system, it's possible to, for lack of a better term, align them so that they follow each other along, but that may be a motion that you may talk to your attorney about as to whether or not you want to seek that. So I'll leave that for a conversation for between yourself and counsel, sir.
Okay, and I have one more as well about the...
What up, Nicole?
Yes.
That mess with that, does it affect that or any type of way? As in, like...
I'm not sure what you're getting at.
Because I had a court date on the 12th of this month. And I was supposed to get a plea at that time, but I didn't because I had an indictment that they had picked up.
Talk to your lawyer about how it may or may not affect plea negotiations, if that's your question.
Okay.
So that is a multifaceted answer, which you should talk to your lawyer about, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
No, sir.
No, that'll be
That's
it.
right, Wilson.
You may step to
Likewise.
your left.
Hey, this guy has a lot on his plate right now. He has these 4 DUI, his 4 DUI,
To the
and he has another pending case.
Number 11, Douglas Dollar.
He's definitely committed to that lifestyle.
Good evening, sir. Please tell me your name and...
What up, K&M?
Brandon Joseph Begay, December 6, 1985.
Thank you. We are here today on a new case out of the Maricopa County Superior Court. There are 2 charges. The first is aggravated domestic violence, a Class 5 felony. The second is interference with judicial proceedings.
What?
1 misdemeanor. I did find probable cause. I'm appointing you a lawyer to the Public Defender's Office. You have 2 court dates coming up on February the 26th and March the 2nd of 2026, both at 8:30 in the morning at the downtown Superior Courthouse. I'm setting bail in the amount of $10,000. That's a secured appearance bond. Post that and be released to the supervision of the Pretrial Services Agency with electronic monitoring to be installed before you are released. If you are released, do not return to the scene of the alleged crime. Do not have victim contact. Do not possess weapons. Do not possess drugs without a valid prescription. Do not possess or consume any alcohol. You must obey the terms of any order of protection that is currently issued or to be issued. Other release conditions will be reduced to writing in the written orders you're about to receive. Do you have any questions?
Yes, Ed. I have 2 jobs right now. I just got hired with Walgreens. And
Oh!
I work for McDonald's.
McDonald's and Walgreens?
Just a little bit lower. I was hoping to actually just be released, but if we could set the bail just a little bit lower, if we can.
Yeah. Sir, given your arrest and conviction history, I do have some concern about community safety on top of the allegations that are here with us tonight. And so I'm not inclined to revisit the bail determination that I've made tonight. You may seek review of the bail determination if you wish to do so. That is a conversation for between yourself and counsel. Do you have any other questions, sir?
No.
All right, thank you very much. You may step to your left.
All right, thank you.
Number 11, Douglas Dalrymple to the...
Better luck next time.
Number
Next up
3,
on The Price is Wrong.
to the chair. Good evening, sir. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
Douglas Dalrymple, Hotel 84.
All right, thank you. We're here today on 2 cases.
Does he have a
are both
barf bag?
Superior Court probation violation warrants.
Oh, yeah, that's a
Is he gonna
barf
make
bag.
it?
Oh, this was tipping over.
Okay.
This was definitely sitting sideways, if you will.
All right, so these are 2 Superior Court probation violation warrants. The Adult Probation Department. Just a moment.
Sir, wake up, sir. Sir, this is no time to sleep here. You definitely want to be paying attention to your life here. He got sloth. He slumped. He went limp, if you will. Yeah, he's definitely going through withdrawals. For sure. Yeah, detox at its finest. And that's a reason why you guys shouldn't do any type of illegal substances, if you will. Let me see. I just got hit with the violation over here. Let me try to appeal it, if you
All right,
will.
sir. Thank you for your patience. These are 2 probation violation warrants. The Adult Probation Department alleges violations of terms 3 and 5 of probation. I'm appointing the Public Defender's Office to represent you, setting your court date for February the 27th of 2026 at 8:30 in the morning at the Downtown Superior Courthouse, setting bail.
My other account,
$350
the UK account.
Post that and be released. If you are released, do not possess weapons, do not possess drugs without a valid prescription, do not possess or consume any alcohol, contact probation within 72 hours. Of your
Judge, I
release.
think it's a little bit too late for consuming the narcotics, if you
Do you
will.
have any questions, sir?
I'm no expert.
Thank you very much. You may step to your left.
NRL, thank you for the follow.
And we have a reprint right there.
Hey,
Mr. Dalrymple.
addiction is definitely not a laughing matter. So if you're going through
Number 3,
something,
Albert Frere to the
seek
podium.
some help, if you will.
Number 13, Eric Price to the chair, please.
He probably just got loaded not too long
Good
ago,
evening, sir.
but he's at that tail end of that.
Prager 0401-1991.
Thank you very much. We're here today on 2 cases. These are both Superior Court probation violation warrants. The Adult Probation Department alleges that you have violated terms 3 and 5 of probation, noting 1 prior reinstatement. I'm appointing the Public Defender's Office.
Jamie, if you will.
You have a court date on February the 27th of 2026 at 8:30 in the morning at the Downtown Superior Courthouse. As to bail, I'm setting bail in the amount of $250 per case, for a grand total of $500 secured appearance. Post that and be released. If you are released, I'm ordering that you do not possess any weapons, don't possess any drugs without a valid prescription, do not possess or consume any alcohol, contact probation within 72 hours of your release. If you are released, other release conditions reduced to writing the written orders you're about to receive. Do you have any questions?
I understand one of the warrants. What was the other one for the violation? I understand the violation one of the probation, but what was the other one?
These both allege violation of probation
For why 2?
because you have 2 cases.
Yeah, I'm feeling all right.
Okay.
Yes.
What up, Luz?
Okay. Now, there's no way to be released.
Yeah, if you pay the money.
Released. I'm not inclined to release you on your own recognizance, given the record that I've seen alleged in the petitions to revoke probation.
What's the record? I mean, I've been following.
Jamie, they suspended it for like 10 minutes or something.
But the last couple months, only because I've been
Yeah.
going through my own family.
Yeah, he was
he
was released on January 1st.
Taking care of a brother that has mental health. I mean, I graduated from the peer support specialist program. I did my classes with Tara, was on time, graduated early. I've been doing everything up until this point. That's because I'm going through my own issues, but I was going to call my
The
probation
5th,
officer, and I didn't even know there was a warrant out.
Is this live? Yeah, it is.
Understood, sir.
I'm definitely
If you
live and
know
direct.
what the more specific allegations are,
Mm-hmm.
term number 3, report is directed to probation. The Adult Probation Department alleges that you have failed to...
Yeehaw! Thank you, Luz.
7th of
Hello, them.
2025, October the 20th of 2025, November the 17th of 2025, and December the 9th of 2025.
Yeah.
Likewise, term number 5 of probation.
What up, Katie?
Um,
What up, Maribel Vasquez?
obtain
Yeehaw! Thank you for
the
that.
probation department before changing residence. The adult
D.
probation department alleges that you did not receive prior approval before changing residence.
Brittany, thank you for the follow.
The petition to revoke probation also alleges that
Bart, yeah, I've been MIA.
Your whereabouts were unknown since at least August the 14th of 2025. And so this appears to be, and
thank you,
I
Luz.
appreciate the
Thank you,
information
Jen.
that you have given me
got
here,
some
sir. But this appears to be an issue of.
Did he say likewise? I believe so.
Probation department, and so does that answer your question as to what the allegations are?
Yeah, I understand it better, but we contacted, but once I got out of, she changed from going into over the phone. She changed.
I did get some sleep, mommy.
It just made it more confusing. So yeah, I did miss, and yeah, but then
Understood,
made it more
sir.
difficult that my mom didn't help, saying that I didn't live there when I lived there. But
Your mom lied on you?
so I understand.
How dare she?
Understood, sir. Anything else?
She said, no, that's it. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much.
How dare she not cover for you? Kind of mom doesn't write for their kid.
Eric Price to the podium. Number 16, Aaron Parker to the chair.
All right, Price, come on down. Let's see if the price is right, or the price is gonna be wrong.
Good evening, sir. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
My name is Eric William Price, July 20th, 1974.
Thank you. We're here today on a Maricopa County Superior Court probation violation warrant.
All right.
The Adult Probation Department alleges that you have violated terms 3.
I have not, Maribel.
Probation.
Woo!
Petition to revoke probation. and
Hey,
notice
thank you
to
for that
file
Pharaoh mask.
statements to
First time I ever got
probation.
one of those.
I am going to appoint you to the Public Defender's Office and set a court date for February the 27th of 2026 at 8:30.
Hey, that's right, Luz.
Downtown Superior Courthouse.
Turn him in.
I'm setting bail in the amount of $500. That's
Can enable them.
Bond, post that and be released. If you are released, I'm ordering that you do not possess any weapons.
Hey, thank you,
Do not
D. Highly
possess
appreciate
drugs
that.
without a valid prescription. Do not possess or consume any alcohol. Contact probation within 72 hours of your release if you are released. Other release conditions
8 years in prison? Woo!
are reduced to writing in the written orders that you are about to receive. Do you have any questions?
No. Well, I do actually, sir. When I was arrested, I had my debit card on me. Can I say whether they can use the debit card?
Please talk to your detention officer on
Okay.
how you're going to post
Hey, that's
bond, if
good.
That's your question of
All right.
whether or not you can use your debit card.
I think the first year is the hardest part,
February
Luz.
26th, you said?
The
Once you make it
27th.
past that first year, then the odds are definitely in
What is the date?
your favor.
Today
This is life court, yes.
Oh, none.
All right. Anything else?
Oh, no, that's
Thank
all.
you, sir. Number 16, Aaron Parker to the podium. Number 17, Yusuf Ondegay to the chair.
The other guy, don't worry about it, Jamie, man. It's all good.
My name is Aaron Parker. Date of birth is 1/23/90.
Thank you. We're
Damn, what
here
happened to her
today on
pants?
A failure to appear warrant out of Maricopa County Superior Court. There are 2 underlying allegations of possession of narcotic drugs, Class 4 felony.
Yeah, there is a
possession
slight
of drug
delay.
paraphernalia, Class 6 felony, both alleged on or about April the 23rd of 2017. Look at the docket on this case.
Hey, Jeanette, thank you for that. Highly appreciate that heart, if you will. Jeanette, back up. Yeah, no, so I haven't talked to Javier. I sent him a message a few days ago. After he went to his parole board hearing, he didn't reach out to me, so I assumed that it wasn't good news. So just giving him a space, to go through whatever he needs to go through, and hopefully we'll be in contact soon. Did he
And
say
so-
2017? I'm not
The
sure.
conduct alleged that forms the basis for this case
What about Kelsey?
is alleged to have occurred almost a decade ago.
Donde
It commenced
es mi
in 2019, and here we are in 2026.
pantalones?
And so, I'm going to appoint the Public Defender's Office for you and set a status conference for you on March the 2nd of 2026 at 8:30 in the morning at the Downtown Superior Courthouse, setting bail in the amount of $500 cash only. Post that and be released. If you are released, don't possess weapons, don't possess drugs without a valid prescription, don't possess or consume any alcohol, contact probation within 72 hours. If you are released,
Aaron Lynn, yeah, he
other
is.
conditions will be reduced to writing in the written orders that you are about to receive. Do you have any questions?
Jamie,
I just
yes.
wanted to know, like, why I can't just, like, plead guilty and just be done with it, like,
Well, part of it, I would imagine, has something to do with going to court. And so there was a warrant due to a failure to appear at a court date, and that's why you're here tonight.
Right.
And so your next court date is March the 2nd of 2026 at 8:30 in the morning at the downtown Superior Courthouse.
Right. I went to court the last time, and my public defender didn't come to court with, like, a no call, no show. And the judge told me that, like, off the record, that he said to just have my public defender schedule an appointment, or even schedule a new court date. And I never even had, like, a bond hearing, or, you know, a bond forfeiture hearing or anything. Like, I just all of a sudden had a warrant.
Understood, ma'am. Please talk to counsel about how you're going to approach the case, including plea negotiations, because it does seem like you're interested in that moving forward. For tonight's purposes, I'm going to affirm the bond amount. That'll conclude the initial appearance. You may step to your left. Thank you very much.
Hey, what up, Hector? Hey, she ain't going anywhere tonight. She's gonna be eating them bologna sandwiches. She's gonna get a little fish kit with a razor. I don't know. You know, hey, do the women get the fish kits? Do you guys get the razor with the little hairbrush, with the little toothbrush and the little toothpaste?
Good evening, sir. Please tell me your name and
What up, Carol? Thank you.
Bandagate 101-2000.
DC.
We're here today on a new case out of the, well, two cases really.
And
The first is
gracias.
a new
Laura,
case
thank you.
out of Maricopa
What up,
County
Drea? Where you
Superior
been
Court.
at?
And the second is a Superior Court probation violation matter.
Saludos.
Alleging a Term 1 violation. As we know, Term 1 of probation is do not commit new crimes. And we are here on an allegation of new case, 3 charges of narcotic drugs, transportation or sale, Class 2 felony, and 1 count of possession of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony, all alleged on or about February the 20th, February the 4th, January the 28th, and February the 17th of 2026. I did find probable cause. I'm going to appoint you counsel through the Public Defender's Office. This is going to be a reprint.
Hey, so women don't get razors? Well, how do you guys shave your armpits and legs and whatnot?
And set court dates for you on February the 26th and 27th and March the 2nd of 2026. All of those are at 8:30 in the morning at the downtown Superior Courthouse. As to the newer case, I am going to set bail in the amount of $25,000. That's a secured appearance bond. However, as to the probation violation matter, pursuant to Arizona Rule of Criminal Procedure 7.2C, I'm holding you without bail. Do you have any questions, sir?
You said you're holding me without bail?
On the probation violation matter, yes, sir.
Hey, that's what happens.
You do have bail on the new matter,
No bail.
Sale matter, because it's a new case. You're
On probation.
entitled to bail as a matter of right, but that is not the case with the probation violation.
That's pretty
matter.
standard
So
right there.
I'm holding you without bail on the probation violation matter.
So, yeah, I'm confused. So you said, so it's 3 charges?
Yes.
What was it?
I'm
What was
sorry.
it? Huh?
3 counts of transportation or sale of narcotic drugs, Class 2 felony, 1 count of possession of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony. So that's actually 4 counts.
So just because of those cases, I can't get a bond?
You do have a bond on your new case, and so, but I'm holding you without bail on that probation violation matter.
Patrick, thank you.
Any other questions, sir?
So basically, there's no bail?
You ain't going nowhere, homeboy.
Sir.
I mean, so if I do post a bond, it's not gonna let me go through because I got the probation violation, right?
If you post bail, well, talk to your attorney about whether or not it's a good idea to post bond on the new matter, given the probation violation matter. If you want to seek review of these release conditions, you may also talk to counsel about whether or not to seek a motion for a review of this. But for tonight's purposes, I'm going to leave the release conditions as they are. Anything else, sir?
Yeah.
All right, thank you
Hey,
very much.
there's no way that he didn't know. The cops have to have told him when they hooked him and booked him. They told him, hey, we're gonna violate your probation and you're not gonna get out. So he knew.
The the chair.
And there's no way you could be out there committing crimes
Please tell me your name and date
and
of
not
birth.
knowing that you're on probation. If you violate, they're not gonna let you go.
Thank you. We're here today on a probation.
He's acting all brand new.
warrant at the Maricopa County Superior Court. The Adult Probation Department alleges that you have violated terms 3 and 5 of your probation. I'm going to appoint the Public Defender's Office to represent you and set a court date on February the 27th of 2026 at the downtown Superior Courthouse. I'm setting bail in the amount of $250. That's a secured appearance bond. Post that and be released. If you are released, do not possess weapons, do not possess drugs without a valid prescription, do not possess or consume any alcohol, contact probation within 72 hours of your release. Other release conditions reduced to writing in the written orders here are about to receive. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Thank you very much. You may step to your left.
Like, that's the first thing they tell you when you sign that paper and you meet up with your probation officer. They tell you, hey, if you violated parole,
For Rogelio,
you can't get out until you go to court.
Chair, please.
Hey, what up, my boy?
Good evening, sir. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
Samuel Abdullahi, 3/21/98.
Thank you. We're here today on 4 cases. These are all bench warrants out of the Maricopa County Superior Court. I'm appointing you the Public Defender's Office and setting
What up, Jelly?
status conference for you on February the 25th of 2026 at 8:30 in the morning at the downtown Superior Courthouse on all 4 of you.
Woo, wait, who sent that over? Hey, Jamie, thank you for
I'm
that.
going to set bail in the amount of $50 cash bond per case. So that's a grand total of $200 cash only. If you post that, you'll be released. If you are released, do not possess weapons, do not possess drugs without a valid prescription, do not possess or consume any alcohol, contact probation within 72 hours of your release. If you are released, other release conditions are reduced to writing in the written orders that you are about to receive. Do you have any questions? Thank you very much.
You see, he made a rookie mistake. What he should have done, he should have gave them a fake name. He should have gone to court. He should have bailed out before they found out who he was, and that's how he could have hit the street.
Chair.
So definitely a rookie. Because that's what I would have done. If I would have been criming and I would have been on probation, you better believe I would have gave them a alias, if you will, to get out on bail.
January 24, 1983.
And your name.
Hello, Carrasco Smith.
Oh, yes, thank you. This is a Superior Court probation violation warrant out of Maricopa County. The Adult Probation Department alleges that you have violated terms 3, 5, and 15 of your probation with 1 prior reinstatement.
Hey, Raiders, thank you for the follow.
Appointing the Public Defender's Office and setting a court date for you on February the 27th of 2026 at 8:30 in the morning at the downtown Superior Courthouse. I am affirming the amount set in the probation violation warrant. That's $250. That's a secured appearance bond. Post that and be released. If you are released, do not possess weapons, do not possess drugs without a valid prescription, do not possess or consume any alcohol, contact probation within 72 hours of your release. Other release conditions are in writing that you will receive. Do you have any questions? Thank you very much.
Hey, so I definitely been out the game for over 20 years, so I'm pretty sure things have advanced since the last time I've been in any type of trouble. I'm pretty sure now it's instant when they fingerprint you. But back then, back in my day, it took 2-3 days for them to figure out who you were.
Good evening, ma'am. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
Alicia Marie Bowen, 11/22/2000.
Thank you. We're here today on 3 cases.
What up, bad intentions?
First is a Justice Court
What up,
warrant
Just?
out of the Hassayampa Justice Court. The second is a Justice Court warrant out of the South Mountain Justice Court. The third is a municipal court warrant out of the Goodyear Municipal Court.
Aaron, thank you for
Let's
that.
start with the Hassayampa case. All right, so this appears to be a post-adjudication warrant out of the Hassayampa Justice Court, the underlying count.
AK would be more like Juando, if you will.
Back from 2024, I'm going to order the counsel be appointed to represent you at the next hearing at Hassayampa, which is February the 25th of 2026 at 8:30 in the morning. Let's move briefly to the other 2. This is the Justice Court warrant out of South Mountain. This is on 1 count of driving with a suspended license, a misdemeanor from 2025. Back in July of 2025. I'm also ordering the counsel be appointed to represent you at the
Shawana, thank you.
hearing, also on February the 25th of 2026 at 8:30 in the morning at the South Mountain Justice Court for the arraignment there. Likewise, for the municipal
Martis,
matter,
thank you for that.
out of Goodyear, this is on 1 underlying count of DUI again.
Oh,
Class 1
again?
misdemeanor,
Awa?
alleged on or about February the 20th of 2025. That's also a post-adjudication warrant. Warrant of the counsel be appointed to represent you at the next hearing.
Kyle, thank you for the follow.
This is also February the 25th of 2026, 8:30 in the morning. Now, I understand that you can't be at three places at once. You are going to need to call the court and say, hey,
oh, she's violating again. That's it.
Am I going to arrange these dates so you can appear?
They're setting up for the Folsom setup.
So you can appear for those court dates, all right?
DUI.
And so,
Chris, thank you.
I will note that
I'll bail her out.
to pay matters.
I do have explanation for that if you
Well,
are willing.
just a moment.
Kevin, thank you.
I will note that the failure to pay matters, at least one of them, was seeking $1,559 for you to be released from jail, okay? Now, I am not going to do that. I'm still going to require bond, but I'm not going to require that, okay? So, what I'm doing is that I'm going to set bail in the amount of $50 per case. Post that and be released. So a grand total of $150.
What?
Post that and be released as to all three cases, all right?
Nah, he's definitely showing her love.
Do not possess drugs without a valid prescription. Do not drive a motor
I think I
vehicle
can save her.
without a valid driver's license. Do not possess or consume any alcohol.
Man, she'll be out of drinking in no time.
Be reduced to writing in the written orders you are about to receive. Do you have any questions?
No, I just appreciate it, sir.
All right, thank you very much. You may step to your
Major love. That fool gave her major love right there.
Number 14, Eric Mickelson to the podium.
Man, if that was me, they'd be bringing crimes up from 1993.
Gabriel Chavez to the chair, please.
All right,
And good evening, sir. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
Hey, Florida girl, thank you.
12084.
Thank you. We are here today on municipal court warrant out of the Peoria Municipal Court.
Long time no
One
see.
underlying count of criminal trespass, a Class 3 misdemeanor alleged on or
What up, B. Honda?
the 23rd of 2025. Ordering that counsel be appointed to represent you at the next hearing, which is an arraignment on February the 24th, 2026, 9 a.m. at the Peoria Municipal Court. You don't have any other holds, do you?
No.
No.
I hope not.
So
What up, me?
I'm going to set bail in the amount of, the initial warrant was seeking $500 secured appearance. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to set $50 secured appearance. Post.
Hey, I mean, this fool got some love too.
Release. Don't return to the scene of the alleged crime. Don't possess drugs without a valid prescription. Do not drive without a valid driver's license. Other release conditions reduced to writing in the written orders you're about to receive. Do you have any questions?
No, that's it.
Thank you very much. You may step to your left.
Man, it's like winning the lottery when you get arrested.
Number
$50 bail? Shoot it.
14, Gabriel Chavez to the podium. Number 5, Luther Cox to the chair, please. And good evening, sir. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
Gabriel Chavez, December 20th, 1985.
Thank you. We're here today on a Justice Court warrant out of the
Nope.
Country Meadows Justice Court. There is one underlying charge of criminal damage. This is a post-adjudication warrant. So the underlying count is criminal damage from March of 2021. Given the nature of the charge, I'm not going to appoint counsel. You can retain counsel at your own expense if you wish to do so. I'm going to send an arraignment for you, a hearing on March the 12th of 2026 at 8:30 a.m. at the Country Meadows Justice Court. Do you promise to appear?
Yes.
Based on your promise to appear, I'm releasing you on your own recognizance. If you fail to appear, a warrant can issue for your arrest. Do not have victim contact. Do not possess drugs without a valid prescription. Other release conditions reduced to writing in the written orders you are about to receive.
What up, Cindy?
No, Your Honor.
Thank you very much. You may step to your left. Number 5, Luther Cox to the podium, please.
Any ladies interested? He'll be out in a few hours. He'll be out right now. What is it, like 8:50? He'll be out by midnight. He might need a ride, if you will.
Good evening, sir. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
Name is Luther M. Cox III, date of birth 01/03/1982.
Thank you. We're here today on a fugitive of justice matter.
Yes.
In just a moment.
Oh, this one ain't going nowhere. If it was a fugitive. Hey, thank you. I'm just Skyler. Thank you for the follow. Highly appreciate you. Let me see. V wrote, I need to get arrested when he's a judge. I mean, I don't want to get arrested, but... yeah.
All right, sir.
Thank you for the follow.
A warrant for your arrest has been issued by the state of Ohio. That state wants you back on this warrant. Before court, you were given some paperwork to review on a laminated card. Did you review that paperwork?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Right. So, as I stated, you have a warrant from the state of Ohio. You have a choice to make at this time. You can choose to waive your right to an extradition hearing and be sent back to the requesting state within 30 days, or you can demand an extradition hearing and that a governor's warrant be signed by the governors of both states before you're sent back to Ohio. If you choose to waive, so this is option one if you waive, all right? So option one, if you choose to waive your right to an extradition hearing, you would be held non-bondable in a Maricopa County jail for a period of up to 30 days to allow time for the requesting state to come for you. The 30 days would start tomorrow, so long as you do not have any criminal charges pending against you anywhere in Arizona.
What up, Jen?
If you do have criminal charges pending against you in Arizona, that 30-day period would not start until those charges are resolved. All right, so that's option one, waiver. Option two, if you choose to have an extradition hearing, that's option two, extradition hearing. I will set your extradition hearing for
Did you say Ohio?
2nd of 2020.
You said Ohio, right?
At 1:30 p.m. at the downtown Superior Courthouse.
T, thank you for that repost.
From justice hearing. I cannot appoint an attorney at this time because extradition matters are civil in nature, but you do have the right to hire a lawyer at your own expense if you wish to do so. You're entitled to bail, which in this case would be $10,000 cash only. If you're unable to post
bail out and run,
you would be held in custody during that time or until another judge modifies your bail. A governor's warrant signed by the governors of both states is required to extradite you to Ohio. That process could take up to 90 days. Do you have any idea you have any idea what you'd like to do, sir?
I'm on 3 years probation right now with Maricopa adult probation. I just started it, going through IOP, drug court also. I was just in it today, and that's where they picked me up because I went to talk to my probation officer on this matter, and I just got 2 years probation, non-reporting probation from Mason Municipal Court, also with substance abuse class.
Oh, he has a lot going on right now.
So,
Crystal, yeah, it is.
so if I've got this, does that mean that I would need to stay here to finish up this matter before I go to Ohio, or I'll go to Ohio first and finish this matter and then come back and finish my time here?
I'm sorry, I'm not following.
I'm charged right now with charges here in Arizona.
You have
Felony
current charges in Arizona?
Yes, I'm
Okay,
on
so
adult probation.
if you choose to waive, so if you have an active case here in Arizona,
Yes.
if you choose to waive, you become non-bondable for Ohio to come and
Hey,
get
what
you,
up? What's good,
but
James? What
the
up?
30-day clock for Ohio to come and get you wouldn't start until that active case is done. Does that make sense?
Until Ohio's case is done.
Until the Arizona case is done.
So I would be here for 3 years in custody.
Oh, you're talking about a probation violation matter. So you're just on active probation, but you don't have an active, like, petition to revoke or anything like that?
No, I'm on probation.
He will.
I didn't violate probation here.
Okay.
Nothing interesting, Maui.
So, I don't believe that would toll the 30 days. If you have any further questions about that, you may go to extradition court if you want to pursue that matter further.
So if I waive my rights, I'll be in for 30 days.
Unless the probation violation matter tolls the 30 days.
Okay.
So, sounds like you may have a question about whether or not that's worthwhile. So, here's what I'll do. I won't accept a waiver tonight. So, I'm going to set your bond the amount of $10,000 cash only. You'll go to your hearing on extradition on March the 2nd of 2026 at 1:30 p.m., where that judge, the extradition court judge, will go through these options again with you. So you'll have some time to think and ask questions of the extradition court judge. If you post bond, make sure to attend all of your court dates or a warrant will issue for your arrest. You have any further questions, sir?
No, Your Honor.
All right, thank you very much. I'll sign off on these orders, and you may step to your left. We'll get the orders to you in just a moment.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you, sir.
This court docket was definitely painful to watch today, or sit through, man. My my surgery site over here is man, it's starting to get painful. So hopefully they wrap this up pretty quick, because I don't know how much longer I could hang in with this calendar over here. So for anybody that was wondering what happened, so this gentleman there, he
Clear gallery for our remaining cases.
he had a warrant out of state, and obviously he's not in that state anymore. He absconded, and he ended up catching a new case in Arizona, some type of drug charges, if you will. Dang, man, sorry to hear about that. Hope you feel better. Yeah, you know, I have my ups and downs. It's just right now I just started kicking in, so using them apps, and I'm trying not to use it, man. I try not to laugh. Just laughing sometimes it hurts. So take care of yourself. Don't let the pain get too painful. Now. And then I gotta go eat. I'm gonna go eat. Right, this one should be wrapping up soon. So
Number 15, Edmund Jody to the podium.
oh no, there's another one. Let's see.
Good evening, sir. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
Edmund Jody, 02/17/1996.
Thank you. We're here today on a Superior Court probation violation warrant. The Adult Probation Department alleges that you have violated terms 7,
Where's that
14,
flat?
and 15
Oh, he's right there.
of your probation. I'm going to appoint the Public Defender's Office to represent you and set a court date on February the 27th of 2026 at 8:30 in the morning at the downtown Superior Courthouse. As to bail, I'm setting bail in the amount of $500. That's the amount that's already set in the probation violation warrant, so I'm just going to affirm that amount. This is $500 secured appearance. Post that and be released. If you are released, do not have contact with any victims, do not possess weapons, do not possess drugs without a valid prescription, do not possess or consume any alcohol, contact probation within 72 hours of your release. If you are released, other release conditions, reduce to writing the written orders you're about to receive. Do you have any questions?
No.
Thank you very much. I'm going to step to your left.
Hey, can you close?
Number 29, Stephen Hand at the podium.
Damn, everybody got picked up on Friday, man. They definitely did a Operation Clean Sweep over there in Maricopa County.
And good evening, sir. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
Stephen Hand, 6/18/85.
Thank you. We're here today because the Adult Probation Department...
Thank you, Deidre.
Just a moment. Appears to be alleging a violation at least of term 1 of probation. Likewise, unpermitted electronic devices.
He looks like he has a skirt.
Which would
Where can you watch this? You can watch this at
term 15
Collect How From on YT, if you will.
Based on what has been alleged in the arrest narrative here. And so I'm going to appoint the Public Defender's Office to represent you, set a court date for February 27th of 2026 at 8:30 in the morning at the downtown Superior Courthouse. I'm holding you without bail pursuant to Arizona Rule of Criminal Procedure 7.2C. Do you have any questions?
Is it because of the technically one count? That's why I'm not going to have bail?
That's what gives me the most concern here is the alleged term 1 violation and the nature of that term 1 violation that's been alleged.
Little mama, thank you, Holly. Appreciate you.
Because of that, I have I'm making findings pursuant to Arizona Rule of Arizona Rule of Criminal Procedure 7.2C. You're going to be held without bail.
Okay.
All right. Thank you very much, sir. You may step to your left.
Well, he's not going anywhere.
All right. This is a house call matter. Excuse me.
You need some water, Judge? You need some
House call
H2O?
Number 22 on the calendar.
Hey, what up, Stephen Ray?
Sean Anderson, date of birth 8/15/1990. Mr. Anderson is not here for his initial appearance. The note from the sheriff's office is, what is the note? Is that Mr. Anderson was unable to function. That's why he's not here. So we'll proceed in absentia with the initial appearance, with an in-person initial appearance to be held.
What up, Miss
Mr.
Queen?
Anderson in person immediately after we're done with calendar tonight. If there are any changes to the release orders I'm about to read, they'll be reflected in the written orders and not on the audiovisual feed here. And so the Adult Probation Department alleges violations of terms 3, 4, 5,
unable to function, yeah.
I'm appointing the Public Defender's Office and setting court date for February 27th, 2026 at 8:30 in the morning at the downtown Superior Courthouse, setting bail in the amount of $500.
I'm feeling all right.
With other release conditions reduced to writing. Written orders that Mr. Anderson will receive during his in-person Southside initial appearance that I'll conduct shortly. That brings us to the end of the 8:00 p.m. initial appearance calendar for February the 20th of 2026. We will stand in recess.
Hey, what up, Lynn? Man, did he say 8 p.m.? Is today's February 20th, 2026, 8 p.m. This can't be real. Because where I live, court stops at like 4 p.m. What kind of nonsense is this over here? He did say, California. No, it's well, 8 p.m. Arizona, because Arizona's one hour ahead of us. So so this one started at 8 p.m. Arizona time, so it's 7 p.m. for us. But yeah, so for anybody that doesn't know where I've been for the last 2 months, I had a surgical procedure that went left, and I haven't been on because I've been recovering, and I'm not fully recovered yet, but I'm trying to get back into the swing of things, trying to do like my normal routine and whatnot that I was doing, prior to me, going through this whole ordeal or whatnot. So. Yeah, I'm all right. I'm all right. I mean, I'm not fully recovered. I'm not 100%, but I'm trying to get there. Each day that passes, it's another day that I'm getting close to where I was before this whole thing started. But yeah. Right now, I know I mentioned that my stomach was starting to hurt, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. I'm gonna go ahead and walk around, and my wife just showed up a little while ago, so with my daughter, so we're gonna go ahead and play some Scrabble, if you will. But hey, I do appreciate every single one of you, whether you're tapping, whether you're a lurker, whether you're dropping comments, all that good stuff, especially that free stuff when you're tapping the screen and sending some prayers this way, because I definitely need them. But hey, if you guys don't know who I am Collect Call James. I'm the host right here at Collect Call From, and we do a little bit of we normally do phone calls from prison, we do parole board hearings, we do court hearings and whatnot. Obviously I haven't done any of that in the last 2 months, but like I said, I'm slowly trying to get back to my daily routine. So whenever I feel up to it, then I will be doing these streams and whatnot. The best thing to be notified, if you do not want to miss any of these streams, would be signing up for Discord. The name of the Discord is also at Collect Call From. I believe I have a link under my profile, so you're more than welcome to sign up. It's free, doesn't cost you anything. It's my favorite price, $3.99. Buenas noches, Deidre, highly appreciate you. Mommy Heartless, Craziness, what's up? Nicole, take care. James, yeah, for sure. Aaron, and for everybody else, supporting, highly appreciate you. Anyhow, hey, like I said around here, life's like a candle. Once you blow it out, it's lights out. And with that, we're out. Rato. I'll see you guys on the next one, all right? Little Dabs, 420. Hector, Maui, and everybody on YT, if you will. Gotta go watch some Love After Lockup. All right, thank you, Crazy. Highly appreciate you, Patrick. Thank you, highly appreciate you also. All right, and then I'll be the other stream at 10 p.m. will be running on the other stream if you guys want to catch it. All right, I'm trying to get back to this.